period, is definitely giving Pop Smoke. So I need y'all to tap that like button if y'all rocking with this, and stay tuned if y'all want to see how we did it. What's up? It's your girl Breathe the Beautician, and I'm back with another semi tutorial. It's kind of a tutorial, not really. It's more like a braid with me, but y'all see it. So, of course, as always, we're going to begin with cleaning up our parts. And as you guys see, I apply a generous amount down her part, and then I begin to clean it up with the steel tip of the Rattail comb. Y'all know this is my favorite comb to part with. If you are not parting with this comb, what are you parting with? So I'm coming in with the LOCN jam, and I'm applying it to the outer portion of this section for this braid, and then I'm gonna go ahead and slice it down the middle and apply that product in the inside of that section as well. Then we're gonna smooth it into, we're gonna comb that product into the hair so that we can ensure that the braid is as flat as possible. Get it in there, and then I always section off my baby hairs because I do those last. If you guys have been watching me, you know I do those last. If you're new, that's just something that I like to do. I don't know, to each his own. But yeah, then I go ahead and I always slice that first section of hair, just to separate it from the rest of the braid. And I actually braid with the comb. Some people, they create their stitches with their pinkies. I use the comb. I just like how the comb separates the hair and kind of pulls it into the braid a little bit tighter than I can. And it's just what I'm most comfortable with. So this is the way that I braid. I always recommend every video for you guys to braid however is most comfortable for you, because at the end of the day, you're the one that has to do it. So you definitely want to be comfortable during this process. I also grab the braiding hair before I part my slice. That's just another method that is more comfortable for me. I feel like I pull the hair tighter when I do it that way. So yeah, that just works for me. Also, as I braid, like right here, I grabbed a little bit of product and I went ahead and applied it to that section of hair that was visible on top. This just helps with, you know, the frizziness and the flyaways from the hair actually at the ends, and just keeps it looking very neat down the braid. You know, you don't want to just apply product to the base of the section. You want to make sure that you're applying product throughout the braid so that your braid can be as seamless as possible. And watching this tutorial just has me over here like, oh, I can do this. Which, even though I can do it, I am doing it. But this should motivate you guys and show you that you can definitely achieve this style. You can definitely achieve the stitch braid. I feel like you just have to keep practicing, and over time, your work will speak for itself. And voila, that is braid number 1. It looks pretty simple, right? Comment down if y'all made it this far and you feel like you definitely can go duplicate this look. Like, let me know what y'all think, because I feel like that's pretty achievable. Like, it feel like a simple step by step for y'all. Now I'm gonna do one more, at a little regular speed for y'all. But after this one, the girls who get it. Or the guys too. The guys who get it. The people who get it. The braiders who get it, they get it. You feel me? Clean those parts, okay? It is 2023. Everybody parts should be crispy. It's 2023. Everybody parts should be crispy. It rhymes, so that's how y'all should remember it. Apply that product down the middle of the section, not just outside. Stop being stingy. Make sure it's saturated, okay? Especially if you're doing heatless, because Kendra has a nice grade of hair. But for those people with that extra thick hair, that extra coarse hair, you definitely need to be using more product. That's what's wrong with y'all braids. But who am I? And to my faithful viewers, y'all, I'm so happy I finally found my angle. Like, Kendra thought I was crazy, but I got so excited finding this angle for you guys, because I've been trying so long to find an angle that doesn't just look one-sided. And this angle is like right on top of her head. So like, I don't even have to worry about my arm going in front of the camera or anything. Like, I love this angle. Like, comment if y'all love this angle. I love this angle. Like, it's definitely giving. And please don't say nothing about my big head that keep on making its debut into the focus. I'm sorry, y'all. Like, my head is just big, and I just have to accept that. I don't want to, but God made me this way for a reason. I got a big head because my brain big. So Don't forget to apply the product to the ends of the hair. You see that? Get that in there nice and saturated. Do not be stingy with the jam. All right, now this is the last part. Now get ready. This is sped up because at this point, those who get it have already gotten it. And if you feel like you need me to do it a little slower, comment below and ask me for a slow-mo and I got you. I'll do like just one braid. That'll probably be like 5 to 10 minutes and I will show you guys very slowly. But I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory. And yes, so guys, this is how it turned out. Well, y'all seen at the beginning, but here it go again. And look at that. Stitches is stitching. It's giving pop smoke. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button, comment, hit the subscribe button. If you are not following me on Instagram, follow you, girl. Add me on Facebook, add me on TikTok. I'm on all socials. And as always, thank you guys. I'll see y'all next time.